In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not opening in iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, anyways, getting into it, when WhatsApp crashes immediately upon launching or freezes on a blank loading screen, it's typically caused by a corrupted local database script, insufficient local storage headroom, or a conflict within the latest update. And you can force a database handshake and repair the application in under 60 seconds without wiping your data. So what you want to do is firstly try and hard reset the application. So if I swipe up on my screen and I see WhatsApp is currently open in the background, all I want to do is swipe out of it, then swipe down in the top right of my screen, turn on airplane mode, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn off airplane mode again after 5 seconds. And then what I want to go ahead and do is try and open up WhatsApp again. If it still doesn't work, I want to clear the cache. So what I want to do is go over to my settings application, scroll down until I find general, then iPhone storage, and then at this point all I want to do is find my WhatsApp application. Now once you go ahead and find it, you just want to, you can type it in or anything like that. As you can see, my shared size for WhatsApp is 4.47 gig, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to press show all, and then I'm going to go ahead and find WhatsApp individually, and then what I'm going to do is offload the application, which is going to clear the cache, reinstall it again, and it's going to have all your data intact anyway, so don't worry about that, and then everything should be working fine. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.